I propose three specific areas for partnership today. First, retirement destination development. Thousands of Ilocanos in Hawaii dream of reconnecting with their homeland. Together, we can create both leisure-based temporary stays and permanent relocation options that make this dream accessible. Second, professional knowledge exchange. As Ilocos Norte emerges as the economic powerhouse in the Philippines, we're launching numerous infrastructure and socio-economic programs. We need Hawaiian expertise, designers, architects, experts in hospitality, urban planners, while offering valuable internship and employment experiences in Ilocos Norte. Third, cultural tourism innovation. By integrating indigenous Hawaiian and Ilocano practices into tourism offerings, we create experiences that honor ancestral knowledge while generating economic opportunities for cultural practitioners. So today, I invite you to move beyond historical ties to strategic partnerships. Let's develop initiatives that elevate our indigenous traditions while creating meaningful travel experiences between our regions. Let's harness our shared heritage to create economic opportunities that respect and preserve our cultural foundations. Together, we can build a model of regional cooperation that celebrates our indigenous past while creating a prosperous shared future. Thank you, Agyaman. Mahalo.